Brad Williams, Excel Prime. We're going to look at SUMPRODUCT. Quick introduction. Remember, here's the key thing about SUMPRODUCT. This unary. It multiplies arrays of numbers and sums the resultant array. Using a formula based on the SUMPRODUCT, you can sum or total columns according to criteria in adjacent columns. This formula multiplies and adds the product of two lists. We're looking for lists. And then what we're going to do is we're going to multiply them and then add them. Without going any deeper in here, here's the layout. We have a bunch of farms, and then we have a cost. We have oranges, plums. F9, you know how that's going to work. These are going to change. A little variability. We're trying to just add up the cost of plums across farms. We have duplicates, so those should match. These should match. So if we see banana, they better be 0, 0 or 174, 174. What is it? We have an array, and then we have an array. So what? What does that mean, Brad? Here in the anatomy, we have B5 to H5. Note, we're creating a list, and the list, it doesn't have to be uniform. So our first list is just going to be B5 to H5. That's our first list. And our criteria is equal banana. Then our next list is, how about we make it C5 to H5 to I5? How does SUMPRODUCT know C5? Because here is C5. We go to I5, which are costs. How does SUMPRODUCT do that? It's going to grab the farms, and it's going to go farms, and it's going to go costs. Let me show you. I know it's hard to really grasp. Array 1, F9, 0, 0, 0, 0. Bad example. Let's find something with a number in it. F9. Go back in here. Array 1, F9. What do we have? We have 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. What does that represent? Well, banana. The only way this thing's going to work is we have to find banana. And we have how many? We have banana and banana. So the question is, well, why are you avoiding this apple over here? We'll go here to the second list. Go here to array 2, hit F9. We have 116. So then we have array 2, F9. And we have 57, 5764. Plum, 73. Banana. See, this ain't jiving, man. Because we only have 1, 2, 3. We only have 3 bananas. See, I'm just not biting off on this thing. We got to put this on pause. Let's do this. This is to get a better view or idea of what I'm trying to convey here. Remember, we have B5 to H5. So here's list 1. We have B to H. Then our next list is going to be C5 to I5. Here's our array, F9. This is the way the array is looked up. Because we said this has to equal plum, well, we have plum. Do we have any other plum? No. So that's 1. If we had multiple plum, we would have another 1 in here. Go over here to array 2, F9. You can do this any way you want, but 1 times 16 array, it has to equal. Well, the second array doesn't equal anything other than the array. We have 1 times 16, 0 times orange, 0 times 146, so on and so forth. And then some will add this up, whatever that number is, and it's going to be 1665. Let's see if we can find something with multiple plum. Let's see anything with multiple. We don't have multiple bananas. We have 345 banana here. So we have banana. Let's go here. Remember, this is true, false. F9. See, true, false, true, false, true, false, true, false. And if you don't remember, how do we convert the true falses to 1 0? What are the 2 negatives? This is just part Excel. The double negatives turn the trues and the falses into ones and zeros. If we go here to the array now and hit F9, there's the conversion. Now we have banana, banana, banana. Then we go to array 2, F9, 1 times 72. 72. 0 times banana is 0. 1 times 94 is 94, so on and so forth. And the outcome is going to be that 325. Hit escape. Is 345.47. It's a really useful structure. It's the layout. You need to understand how it works. Combining, I'm overriding. Why can't I include this entire farm all the way to cost? That's your list. There's no way to compare anything. Creating an illusion. We need to be able to add these things up, and this is list 1, and this is list 2. You can compare them. And then we use that 1 and 0 methodology to add up our criteria. Work at it, play around, remove the unaries, and just practice. Brad Williams, XL Prime. Thanks a lot.